Hello guys and parents, these are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. In the page 222 we got listen to the conversation, circle the picture to answer each question. We got one example here. What weather problem are they discussing at the beginning of the conversation? And make a circle in the answer, okay? Next to that, we got listen to the conversation again. In the graphic organizer, write suggestions to reduce water consumption. Ways to reduce water consumption: install water cleaning devices in pools. You can write anything you want, okay? Next to that, we got circle the correct option. Number one, what natural disaster caused by climate change are not mentioned in the conversation? Is the number C, hurricanes. Next to that, we got, what do you think these idioms from the conversation mean? Some people are up a blind alley when environmental problems are concerned. That means following a course of action that leads to a bad outcome, okay? Next to that, we got language check, first conditional with will and modal verbs. Listen to the conversation again, fill in the chart below with examples from the conversation. First conditional with will. If there seems to be more rain falling in certain places lately, why do scientists say that there will be a shortage of water supply very soon? That's the example, okay? In the page 223, we got vocabulary builder. Listen to the vocabulary list again and repeat with your best pronunciation and intonation. Solve the word puzzle to discover the hidden message. Like in this one, we got an example here in the number one. The answer is human. Next to that, we got discover what words are written below using the color code. And we got the number one, pollution, with the color code, okay? In the page 335, we got activity 1 review, write sentences with the following groups of words. No longer air conditioning, environmental. Environmental problems make people use powerful air conditioning, so they no longer enjoy fresh air. Activity 2, transformer, look at the color code on page 223. Find 2 words from the list you could not write using this code. Explain why. This is an example, recycle. I cannot write this one because there is no letter Y in the code. In the activity 3, we got look at the following groups of words. What do they have in common? Write your answers on the lines provided. Number 1, recycle, rainforest, reduce. They all start with R. In the page 224, we got think about the 8 most common ways your family uses water. Write them in the first column of the table. And we got these examples: drinking and cooking. That's all for this week. Have a nice week, take care, and stay at home. Stay positive even when it feels like your life is falling apart, okay? Goodbye, guys.